Hello guys, and today, welcome to... What are you doing? Welcome to the Lavender's bonfire display. Who needs Lewis when you have the Lavender's bonfire display? We have some rockets here, ready to get set to go in someone's garden. We got a heart. No, you're not doing that, you have to wait till you've done the fireworks before you light that fire. Alright then, right, we got a GuyFawk clown with no legs and arms and a roll couch. Mum, watch out, there's a firework there.
Oh, you have to dig that in the ground.
Yeah,
No, you don't. We put them on a fucking table, they're fine.
Mum, concrete. I've got concrete I can put around it.
Right, Lily, go get everyone out, please.
Yes guys, this is the bonfire display.
Shannon, go get everyone out. Thank you, fucking lazy bitch.
Right. Lily, do you want to film this? If you hold them, hold that. Just film the fireworks because I'm going to stop.
Look at this video I did.
Guys, we'll start lighting. We'll start lighting, guys.
Lily, stand up this way.
Right,
ready?
I'm good back.
There we go! That's shit.
Okay, they were crap. Keith, get the camera. Start filming. Get closer.
Right, ready? Ready? Who's there? Go.
Motherfucker!
Right, let's start with this pack. Right, go load that bad boy up because that one looks like a fucking rocket now. Yeah, get the light here. Right, you ready, Rhys?
Ready?
3, 2, 1.
Motherfucker! They're alright. They're alright, Keith, weren't they? Mate, it's fucking sick.
Right, there These ones are the ones. Don't set it off until I'm there.
Watch out, there's actually stuff around here.
No, it's just smoke.
Ready?
Be careful, Callum. Right, wait.
1, 2,
3. They went at the same time, mate.
Boom.
Right, we're going to go for the little TNT bad boys now.
Right, Keith. I need to edit out that, but Cal did not say that.
Wait,
that
these...
What are they? They're Catherine boys.
These are TNT things for the ground, so we'll do them in a bit.
Right, later.
No, we ain't got pattern wheels. We've got these fucking bad boys. Right, take 2. Let's go. Yeah, you take 1. Torch.
Make sure they're in the ground sturdy.
Mum, trust me, they're right in the ground.
3. Oh shit, Cal, go!
50. Oh.
Callum, stop saying.
You got that in your video now.
Guys, kids, do not try this at home. We are trained professionals in the field.
Yeah.
Exactly the same time. Watch him go right at the same time, Rhys. Hey!
Shine the light in that, baby.
Jesus has set his light upon us.
Ready?
What the
Exactly the same time again.
It's alright, we make up the ones that
That's the one.
boom.
Wait, Keith, where's those other 2 rockets gone?
Oh god, I've not touched them. They're the ones you relit them.
Oh yeah, shit.
What the fuck are you on about?
Is that a whole pack gone already?
Yep. There you go.
Right, alright. The floor's on fire.
Yeah, it's fine.
The floor is on fire.
Right, wait. Go. Yeah, there we go.
Cheap fart display, that's how we fucking do it. Poundland style. Cow, stop saying that. Seriously.
Mate, you got a lot of editing to do.
Wait, don't do it.
Right, hang on.
Ready?
Cow, get away. Cow. I'm sorry, that's Poundland for you. No, boy, shut up.
Oh, that smell. That one's the other side, mate. Watch.
Right.
Alright, my bad.
Take distance, guys.
Reach for the stars.
Right.
Holy shit, that
Give
is
me that
so
torch.
bad, man. That
Guys,
smell.
it's time for the ground one. Oh, maybe not.
Come on, rockets.
Yeah, I'll try and get back here. Oh, mate, that stinks. Yeah. We're not breathe this in, guys. It's poisonous.
Right, you ready, boy?
Ready? One more?
No.
No, it's just these ones now.
Oh, look. That was a fire starter
Oh,
for the fucking...
I still put one of them in natural settee.
No,
See if that'll actually set the settee on fire before the lighter. Set one of them off on the settee.
Right, find the splint.
Right, you know what you're doing?
I do know what I'm doing. I've done this before, man.
Fire and directions up here, by the way.
I know what to do.
Where is it? Find the splint.
Oh shit, I've ripped it out.
You idiots.
You have to dig them in the ground. Rhys, you see on the balls, you have to dig them in the
What?
ground. Not on the bloody
Oh yeah, cheers.
table. Don't you want to fucking iron down?
Well, that one's fucked.
What do you mean?
Pull the
You don't
fucking...
know, you have to dig them into the ground. Read the box and it tells you.
Cow, mate. Right.
I've got you.
Oh my god, Cow, mate, that one's going to blow up.
Yeah, I know. It's no problem.
Make sure they're
Hold
all
up,
that
Cow.
way.
Where's the other one at?
That way.
Oh, okay. Right, hold on, Keith. Follow
Need
me.
a torch, boy.
Follow me. We're not digging on the ground, Cow.
Right, get it soft down here.
Cow, that ain't going to
Yeah, I'll just move
Well,
this for
I
now.
don't give a fuck.
Alright, he's lighting one. Cow, Keith, I'll get the fuck back.
It's not even gonna work, I don't think, you know.
Get back to this one. Get back to this one. Oh god.
I told you, mate, I fucked it. I pulled the fucking thing out.
Well, we're not going near that. Cal, don't go near it. Callum! He just kicked it. Callum, that's a live firework.
Nah, it's not, mate. The fucking, I pulled the fucking string out. It ain't gonna blow. Put it on the fucking fire after.
Move.
Right, this one's gonna work. Right.
Step back.
There we go. Wait, I'll do one with you. Here's the hole. Over here, mate.
They're on his seat.
We'll do two at a time. Right here.
Let me shove
Pack
this
it all in.
Let me shove this in.
Just pack it in.
Okay, that should be fine.
Right, ready?
Right, ready?
Get down low. Get the fuck out of the way, Rhys.
Boom.
Them ones are fucking good.
Right,
Two shot power.
gotta wait a sec. Okay, let's get Murph.
Done all four of them?
No, I've got one here.
Well, I'll set one of these bad boys off.
No,
Yes.
you've got to bury that halfway in the ground.
No, you don't, Rhys. We put these on the table earlier. They're fine. Keith, I need that torch. Come over here.
Right, guys, stand back.
Hang on, give me a sec.
Mate, comes, go for it. He's just like, fuck this, I'm going for the big one.
Where's the fucking... Right,
Rhys, you better get back.
Wait, give me a sec.
Now, hold on.
I'll do it right over here.
Right, move, Darren. Move.
Right, ready?
Now, you got to take that off, you idiot.
What? Take what off?
The red bit.
No, you don't.
Just remove orange cover.
Orange cover. Where's the orange? What there? Did it say?
Oh, yeah, that's it.
That's
Right.
it. Right, ready?
Get out of the way, mate.
Oh, fuck's sake.
Right, here we go. Jesus, big one. Cal, watch your face. Cal.
Go through it, more like.
Okay,
There
get
we
back,
go.
Get back.
Chill.
These ones are powerful. I'm having loads of fun here, mate.
Jeffrey, you can come and kill us all.
Touch your ears, man.
Right, I'll be careful of that one, Cal.
Do one up here.
Right, do one now, get the pattern, and then we'll set fire.
Oh, it fucking stinks.
Does it, though? Poisonous.
Oh,
We've still got one live firework in the corner.
throw it on the couch.
Throw it on the couch, mate.
Mate, sit up, get it proper going.
You want to sit up that way, though.
You put it right in the
Fire
gap,
this
between the
way.
seat.
That's the big one that comes explosive. You sure you want
Put
that?
it right in the middle,
Are you
facing
sure
up.
you want that in the fire? It'll blow up everywhere.
Actually, that's true. Might be funny, I might go next door's got them. Alright, don't lose that stone that I got.
Stand back. Cal, you better fucking get to the safe distance. Okay, give that up here. Okay, film properly, mate.
They just keep on falling.
Chuckle the rest of it on the couch.
Oh, go get the fountains, boy.
Right, Cal, put them crackers on the fire.
Wait, let me find that stick, bro.
The fuse lighter.
Yeah,
Yeah, it should be on there.
I like that, and then we'll be able to light all the fireworks. Right, go, Keith, come help me with this. Go chuck these on the fire. All those fireworks, chuck them on the fire.
Oh my.
Right, one firework over here, boy. And that's still fucking. That's gonna go right here. Right inside this cunt's head. Right, where's the fucking water fountain, boy?
Oh fuck it, just leave that for
Well, like that, and that'll burn for ages now. And that.
Oh boss, you got a low, I'm gonna light a fag. Cheers. Oh.
Putting us to shame.
What?
Their fireworks at the front there.
Where are the fountains? Where's Rhys? Where's the fountains?
They keep rolling me rolling.
Especially when they're being used for like
5 seconds, and that money can be going on Christmas presents, really.
Can you try me a skimpy, if that's okay?
Well, yeah. Couldn't even afford paying for a fucking bog roll.
This fucker looks good. Poundland jobby people. Hey!
Yeah.
Some square ones, you've got to dig in the ground, Pallet.
I know what I'm doing.
Yeah.
Hey, come here. Right, just YOLO it. That's what you do.
Yeah,
Fucking
I'll do.
YOLO it, mate.
Fuck you.
Oh, run on. Poundland style, bitch. Poundland jobby, my G's.
Right, get off. What are you doing,
I'm gonna
mate?
go light another one. Do we do 2 at a time?
Yeah, I know, that's what I'm saying. But it is so, isn't it?
No.
Be careful that other fireworks playing there.
I know, I put that other firework on the back.
You know how powerful that is.
Nah, it's not that powerful.
Okay, that's the one that
Oh yeah, I know. He's hanging inside there as well.
big aim for that.
I'll just kick it over. Kick it over. Do like 2 at a time. One. Yeah.
And this one.
Keith, you got another lighter on you?
No.
No, don't worry, I've got this. Right, fucking stand back.
Right, ready?
Try on the other ones because they might have been confused for you. Right, stand back.
Try not to just leave 2 or 3 of them. Oh shit.
Give me your lighter.
Wait, Rhys, wait.
Give me your lighter.
Stand back.
Wait.
Wait, Rhys, wait.
You crazy fucks!
There we go. Right, let's go fuck up a GuyFawk.
Poundland style.
Poundland.
Okay, guys, it's time to set the fire with a stick. Remember,
Set what?
there is
Set
a
it.
live firework on the fire, so everyone prepare to duck and dive.
Hold that with your other hand then.
Okay,
So I want to be prepared. What just do my serious fucking thing?
get that box on there.
Just let me get this going.
Keith, mate, where's that firework he's put on?
Leave it, he's on the GuyFawk, you touch it and it's not yours.
Right, all we're doing, Keith, I put the thing inside the fucking cushion. Yes, guys, we're about to light the fire. Keith, it's now the arsonist lighting some cardboard. As it, just remember, there's a live firework on the GuyFawk. So when you light it, run. Okay? That means we're ducking behind bushes Just a caution. Mum, just a caution. There's a live firework on the fire.
Are you joking?
Nope. So when Keith lights it in a minute, run. Or live firework.
Firework on the fucking
The fuse
fire,
fell
so
off.
just move the head out the bloody way.
The fuse fell off, so yeah.
Right, you guys,
And it's one of them powerful ones that fly up.
Oh, yeah.
So if it fires this direction, we're going to go blind and deaf. So they're going to... Oh God. You may want to get here, guys. Callum, what are you doing, mate? It's a live firework on there.
Oh, you got my light.
No, there's not.
Callum, be careful because there's a firework on there.
No, fucking put it on there, man.
Well, remove then,
I wouldn't get here.
idiot.
No, it's a proper big one.
We've got some alarm.
You know the most powerful ones that flew up in the air? That's one of them, is it? Guys, be prepared. Mum, what are you doing? Get out of the way.
There's all sparklers in the way.
Oh God,
shit, yeah, he is
he's
going.
burning.
Guys, just hide behind me in case it does fire this way.
It's going to fire in a minute, isn't it? Guys, get out of the way.
It's probably just gonna blow.
Yeah, if it flies this way, why did you put it up?
I'll put it facing this way.
You fucking moron.
I'm just gonna sit and enjoy the action.
You moron.
What way did you put it up?
There you go.
That's probably the firework. Gone. Poof.
If it's an Audi one,
I doubt it.
Is it a live one?
Yeah,
Or is it the one that you...
It's live.
it's the one that went wrong. It's still live. Still gunpowder in it.
They do more than do that.
It would have blew up earlier. It's not there now. It's fine.
I think that's what that poof was.
I doubt it.
Bye-bye, sofa.
Goodbye,
Had a
clown.
long run. Goodbye, sofa. Say bye-bye to it, babe.
How many years have you had that bad boy for?
Ages.
I will want to have one.
Yes, guys. If you like Bonfire Night, I
Bye,
hope you
fatty.
enjoy. Nice please subscribe. Keith, it's Firelighter from South Karen. And yeah, we're just gonna chill out and watch the bonfire. And hopefully the firework don't go off now and kill us. So yeah, do not put fireworks. Do not put fireworks in a fire.
Well done! I tried, little man. Go on, put it there. That's it.
Where's my sparkler?
They're all gone now.
What?
Halloween party when you
Goodbye.
weren't even here.
Chill.